Can you remember resonance column? So when the length of air column is 50, then another is 150. No need of diagram again. In exam also not needed. Still. So length of air column. This is what air. Air is air. So this will be the length. So let's not bother. What is that? So let's not bother like that first resonance, second also like L/4. Okay. Okay. This is. Yeah, fine. This is like so the same tuning fork. Get into the now. What is that L1 and L2? They are given this particular length are given for us. I think problem related to errors, nothing to do. So you know what is L1? L1 should be lambda by 4. L2 should be 3 lambda per. Is it okay? This length. So this lambda should be equal to, there's a general formula, you know it. What is F equal to? V by lambda. So lambda, what we can write it as? Okay, no, we know speed of sound is that V equal to F into lambda. So therefore 2F L2 minus L1. Let's get into the mathematics involved here. It's telling tuning fork. There's no any error in measurement of tuning fork. It's exact. But the length is what I'm measuring. So it's asking expression for speed of sound. So what shall we do now? So we'll directly go for error analysis. dV by V is equal to. What to do with that 2? 2 should be taken. 2F should be taken or 2F should be left here. So there is some constant. Beta, you write it. Beta is a constant. So you may think is it correct? What are this? I think go back to the errors. So this is like a two quantities we are subtracting. No, when you subtract, what will happen there? Relative errors are not additive. I should not write in this way. Of course, this is one quantity, this one quantity. So here, this particular thing, treat that L by 2 minus L1 as one quantity. So then what we are going to write? DL2 DL1 derivative of, okay. Yeah. From how I am bringing this? Any method you go for error, so this quantity will be 0. And this should be only positive. It is like a, this is one quantity you take it. Yeah? Then it's fraction, it's like a error have to be found out. So there's one quantity. So what you are going to write, say L, DL by L. If you're getting confusion with the symbol, write this is equal to some L. Then what you're going to write, dv by v equal to dl by L. So what is dl? dl2 plus dl1. And what is L in denominator? L by 2 minus L1. What shall we take here? I think we should search for maximum possible error. Let me write. We should search for maximum possible error. Anybody?
2, sir. Alpha is equal to 2.
Alpha equal to 2, huh?
Yes, sir.
I think in exam, say how to save time. You should not think all this finish sure. You know resonance column. Consecutive resonance will occur. So directly I think you have to start from here and carry on. And the background, theoretical background must be there of everything this much in a resonance air column method. Okay, what is the resonating lengths, how they're related to wavelength or to the speed of the sound. So it's better to start from here. Finish or wind up within 1-2 minutes, you should wind up. So again, if you're thinking from here, then gone. You'll be killing time. Huh?
Sir, why can't we take directly lambda equal to 4L1 in the previous case?
What do you mean by that?
Like we know the error in L1, no, sir. Why shouldn't we take like that, sir? Lambda equal to 4L1 if we take V by 4L1.
We don't know, is it fundamental frequency or not? Is it resonating with fundamentals? Cannot directly take L1 is equal to lambda by 4. We should take as L1 is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 4.
So that is what actually they'll be always in resonance when they don't give information, it's considered to be consecutive. So therefore, I'm just assuming it to be fundamental first overtone. First harmonic and it will be first overtone, second overtone. You can take this first overtone, this you can take second overtone. What will be that? But things will be this much only.
Okay.
Finally. Because I don't want to make things complicated. I assumed it fundamental first overtone. You can take first overtone, second overtone. But
okay, sir.
But it will be this much only. Am I right?
After derivation, we'll get that term. After deriving.
Yeah, this one again. So it will be always consecutive in resonance. If